Hi friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. Today we are see how to fix rack for hanging issue in Windows 11 and cache, how to clear cache. So many usage going on in task manager, how to clear that processing. Okay, first open a task manager, check what are the procedure. Then go to your configuration once, check it. Okay, this is for configuration i7 processor, 8 GB RAM is available. This is for manufacturer given the concept. Okay, not upgrade any RAM or disks, or not increased. This is a manufacturer one, so defaultly comes. Okay, CPU, memory, disk, network all are maintained under 50%, because in case 50% above going on, system is hanging issue comes. Once click startup apps, in unwanted so many apps is there, unwanted apps just set us to disable. Okay, put to disable. I need only OneDrive, only one startup menu I need, because my data goes into OneDrive, so I set it for enable. Then unwanted apps running in task manager, I say end task day. Then I will restart it. Okay, for this thing, in this thing, I am now restarted. What happened? I am set as set it for startup apps. I am set as default disabled, so that processing saving for restart compulsory needed. I am now restarted. Just everything check and then. Okay, see this disk, memory, CPU, network as now maintained for 50% below. Any 50% and 50% to 80, 70 is going now. That time your laptop or desktop is compulsory going to hanging issue. Now I am restarted desktop. Then task manager open and now check it. It is maintained for under 50, not issue. In case one by one apps now is normal. Okay, this is a normal. If case memory percentage are increased, your apps one by one opening at a time, memory is increase, memory percentage increase, any increase, that time you compulsory need to upgrade RAM. That time this problem solved. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.